Assalamualaikum dear students, this is physics lecture. In this we will discuss about the electric potential from unit 13, that is electrostatic. Electric potential. The electric potential energy U per unit charge Q in an electric field is called the electric potential V. Symbolically it can be written as V is equal to U by Q or V is equal to W by Q. Its unit is the electric potential unit of joule per coulomb or volt. It is given in the honor of Italian scientist Alessandro Volta. The potential at a point is 1 volt when it requires 1 joule of work to move a positive charge of 1 coulomb from a point of zero potential to that point. So 1 volt will be equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb. What is the concept behind the electric potential? Electric potential is closely related to electric field. Electric field is the force per unit charge, whereas the electric potential is the energy per unit charge. However, electric potential is a scalar quantity. Since it is easy to solve the problems with the scalars, so therefore we go through the electric potential rather than the electric field. In book we are having a figure 13.11 at page 115, which is given to to understand the concept of the electric potential. The pink one lines are showing the electric field lines. Here a point A is given and a point B is given in the electric field, where a test charge plus Q is present in that electric field. So let us consider a positive charge Q is placed in an electric field at a point B as shown in figure. If the charge is allowed to move freely, it will acquire kinetic energy and will move from point B to A. Whereas we can say that conversely, an external force is required to keep the charge at rest or to move with uniform velocity from point A to B. So, mathematically, VB is the point potential at point B, whereas VA is the potential at point A, and the difference between these two will be given as WAB as the work done in between point A and B over the charge Q. So it can also be simplified as potential difference V is equal to W by Q. In this equation, the work that must be done against the electric field to bring a test charge Q from infinity to that point are the specific location. So some of the practical applications of the electrostatic induction, that is the electric potential, are given over here in our book. So these practical application involves the electrostatic precipitator and dust extraction. Electrostatic phenomena can be used to separate the dust from the smoke particles. To reduce the air pollution, nowadays the coal burning power station extract dust from the smoke in chimneys before releasing it to the environment by the electrostatic precipitation. So this is the figure diagram of the chimney. It is having the two plates, a wire gas, and the smoke or the waste gas which is going out. So waste gas will move without smoke particles because these plates are charged and wire gas charge this smoke. So these smoke particles will be attracted by these electrostatic charged plates. In this way, the waste gases without smoke particles will be out. Another application is the electropainting. Electrostatically charged paint is applied in electrostatic spray painting. It gives very even coating and also reduces the paint usage. The objects being painted are mostly metals or they are grounded. So the paint particles have a charge, so they are attracted by the opposite charge of the object. The related figure is given over here. So nowadays this technique is used for the painting. It is having so many advantages. Hope you have learned from this lecture. Thank you.